Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about refreshed Kia Seltos for 2024. Let's find out what's new. The Seltos has undergone a makeover for its exterior and interior design in 2024. The SUV's exterior is enhanced by a restyled grille, updated lighting elements, new wheel designs, and a rear light bar that connects the tail lamps. Inside, the cabin features an updated infotainment panel with two large screens, and the previous model's conventional shift lever seems to have been replaced by a rotary controller. The optional turbo 1.6-litre four-cylinder engine now delivers 195 horsepower, a 20 horsepower increase from the previous year, and is paired with a new 8-speed automatic transmission instead of the previous 7-speed unit. Additionally, a rugged-looking X-Line model with unique exterior styling has been added to the lineup. Compared to the Hyundai Kona, the Seltos offers noticeably more space for both passengers and cargo. The materials used in the cabin give it a refined feel that would fit right in next to Kia's excellent Telluride SUV in a showroom. The upscale SX model includes standard interior ambient lighting that can pulse along with the music, similar to the system in Kia's smaller Soul SUV. In our test drive of the pre-facelift model, we found that the cargo area easily accommodated suitcases, backpacks, and a photo bag. With the rear seats folded, we were able to fit 8 carry-on suitcases in the cargo hold and 20 overall. The infotainment setup in the Seltos has undergone significant changes for 2024. A new seamless panel stretching 2/3 of the dashboard serves as both a digital gauge display and an infotainment touchscreen. This option is similar to what other modern Kia models offer. A standard analog gauge cluster comes with a smaller display. While Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included in every model, Sirius XM satellite radio and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot are available as options. The best value can be found in the Seltos' EX trim. The SX model is fully loaded, but the EX trim also offers a well-equipped option at a much lower price. It includes faux leather upholstery, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and the new dual-screen infotainment system with in-dash navigation. All-wheel drive is available as an option for those who require it. Kia provides 2 different 4-cylinder engine choices for the Seltos, a 2.0-litre engine producing 146 horsepower or a turbocharged 1.6-litre engine delivering 195 horsepower. We had the opportunity to test the Seltos with the turbocharged 1.6-litre engine and found its power to be more than sufficient. It accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds on our test track. While the base engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, the turbocharged engine comes with an 8-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on all trims except the S and EX. The Seltos offers a firm yet mostly smooth ride, and its handling is sharper than competitors like the Jeep Compass and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, making it more enjoyable and composed. We will update this story with acceleration test results and additional driving impressions once we have the opportunity to test the updated Seltos at our home base. According to EPA estimates, the Seltos is expected to deliver fairly efficient fuel economy. Front-wheel drive models with the 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine have an estimated highway fuel economy of up to 34 mpg. On the 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, an all-wheel drive Seltos with the turbocharged 1.6-litre engine achieved 32 miles per gallon. For more information on the Seltos' fuel economy, please visit the EPA's website. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you find this video helpful. If so, feel free to hit the like button and leave a comment. See you next time.